हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं पाइथन में आपको कैसे एक सेंटेंस में से हम टेक्स्ट सर्च कर सकते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेजेक्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पर हाउ टू फाइंड द टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस। लेट्स सपोज देयर इज a string and you have written the sentence and I have to find the text, any text, like starting with any word and it will end with certain word. So what we have to import? We have to import the re, that is using for regex library. We have to import regex library, so re is that library to search the particular text. And there is a string inside the double quotes. I have written the sentence like Python is the interpreted language. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये एक टेक्स्ट है जो कि text टेक्स्ट वेरिएबल में स्टोर्ड है। ये सेंटेंस पूरा का पूरा टेक्स्ट वेरिएबल में स्टोर है एंड I will use the search method from the re library which I have imported. And inside the search method there will be a particular regex expression will be used. ठीक है, regex एक्सप्रेशन में हम ऑपरेटर्स का यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे स्टार है, डॉट है और जो पावर का है, ठीक है, वो ऑपरेटर पाइथन में यूज़ हो रहा है। यानी कि वो जो पावर ऑपरेटर है वो डिनोट करता है कि आपका वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है पाइथन से। ओके, स्टार्ट्स विथ, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पावर ऑपरेटर। एंड डॉट, ओके, dot means after that there will be characters, and dollar sign means it denotes the sentence ends with a word. So the sentence will be ending with word language. Okay, so that's why I used power operator Python. It will starts with Python, then dot, then star. After star there can be any characters. Okay, star operator denotes that there can be any characters used, and this text variable is used to inside the search method. Then if else condition I will use, so that if there will be a search text, let's suppose the text is find from the sentence. Okay, then I will print Python is the interpreted language, that will come out in the console. Else, then else block will be used, and after else block I can write any print statement like not searched, any statement. Okay, so there is a if else condition, whether text is we have searched a particular text from the sentence or not. So there we have to be clear with the indentation also, spaces. So I think there are spaces, so we have to remove that spaces between the if else this whole blocks. Okay, so I have removed those spaces because indentation error will become in Python. So we have to keep in mind the indentation. See, not search the text. So why this else block executed? Because the Python is written in caps. Okay, in the text variable the P is in capital letter. See, now if block is executed. Okay, so please watch the other videos also.